The Dewalt 20V Cordless Tiller offers the convenience of cordless operation, allowing you to work freely without the restriction of power cables. Equipped with a robust 500-watt motor, this tiller delivers an impressive speed of 310 revolutions per minute, making it highly effective for breaking up tough soil. Featuring heavy-duty steel tines, the tiller efficiently cuts through packed earth and roots, transforming difficult ground into ideal planting beds quickly. Its foldable and extendable design ensures easy storage and comfortable use, as the tool can be adjusted to suit your height, reducing strain during operation. Safety is a priority with the integrated double safety switch and low-voltage cutoff, protecting both users and the tool itself from accidental activation or battery damage. The lightweight ergonomic design, combined with adjustable handles, allows for prolonged use without causing fatigue, making gardening tasks more enjoyable and less physically demanding.